friends, I need you to launch your logo file by bringing logo up and doing file load and finding the file you did the last day you worked on it. Mine's saved by date, so it's easy to see that that one was on 9/13. If you've got that done real quickly, type house to see how your project is coming together.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, if you look at your journal folder, there is a special little file there called Logo Colors. If you double click it, it pops up a window that shows you the possible colors that we can use built into logo, where 0 is black, 1 is blue, 2 is green, and so on and so forth. I'd like you at this point to just open that and keep it on your screen so that you can check colors at any time. Notice you can move it where. Alright, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to paint the door. The way I would like you to do this is using the XY command. And I know that I told you 20 over, so I'm going to guess that if I do XY 23 and I do 5 up, the turtle lands with his center inside the square. Then you type set FC to the color that you want. I'm going to do mine blue, which is 1, and then you simply type fill. And then you've got to remember to bring the turtle back, and I've got a new way to do that by just typing XY00. That is how easy it is to paint the door. And then in the house, you do it like this. At the very end, before the last line, you simply type that all together. XY 23, 5 up in the air so that it's in the square. Type your set FC 1, fill it, and then do XY, and you got to do this, 0, 0, or your stuff draws. And then one cool thing is if you do a semicolon, you can give yourself a note so you know which thing you did. Green means it is a comment.
With that done, if we do clear screen and type house, notice now the door paints automatically. The other cool addition we have is if you type ruler and then type house afterwards, your shapes show up on top of your building. So then you can look at, say, your triangle roof and see that it is 25 over because that's between 0 and 50, and it's between 50 and 100 for the height. So let's do the exact same steps, XY space, and I'm going to go 25 over, and I'm going to go 55 up. And then I'm going to just press enter to double check that it's in. Since it's in the shape, then I can do set FC. I'm going to peek at my colors, and I'm going to choose number 8, which is brown. You can choose any color you want, and then remember you have to type fill afterwards. Finish with XY00. And when you're happy with how that looks, then you can do File Edit, visit your house code again, and then in your house code, I'm going to just copy this line, and I'm going to paste it. Only this time I'm going to go 25, 55, because those were the numbers I tested. I'm going to set my color to 8, and then instead of paint door, this time it's paint roof. File, save, and exit. And then when I do CS house, my house draws with 2 pieces filled. Use these skills to paint your whole project and make it look totally epic. When you finish that, make sure you continue with Lesson 6 in the ModTech logo folder. Good job. Have a great day. Please like, follow, comment, and subscribe.